And there you can see the first umbilical retracting as separated from the booster. In about 20 more seconds, the second umbilical will also begin separating, initiating the launch sequence. Ignition. Second umbilical retracting. Soyuz running up to full power, and we have liftoff. Liftoff, the 90th Progress resupply ship. It has cleared the tower as it lights up the evening sky in Baikonur on its way to the International Space Station. Control parameters nominal as the first stage propels the 90th Progress skyward. Structural parameters nominal as well. Good first stage performance. Vehicle reported as stable, delivering 102 tons of thrust from its 4 boosters and single engine. Thruster chamber, as well as yaw pitch and roll, all nominal. Minute and 15 seconds into flight, and everything so far nominal for the 90th Progress. You are seeing the view from the upper stage cameras of the Progress as it is currently in its first stage of launch, heading toward the International Space Station. In less than 10 seconds, we'll begin the first stage separation and the launch shroud to be jettisoned to begin the core stage, the second stage of the journey. First stage confirms separation. The boosters have departed, and the vehicle stable as the second stage gets underway. All structure parameters nominal on the 90th Progress journey towards the International Space Station. Everything continues to be right on track. As the core stage continuing its burn, now 2 minutes and 52 seconds into flight. Now 3 minutes into flight. Soyuz core stage performing as advertised. Launch shroud has been jettisoned. Second stage thrusters continuing to perform nominally, now 3.5 minutes into flight.